Cyber hygiene is the routine habits that keep your accounts, devices, and data safe. And just like brushing your teeth, good cyber hygiene can stop cyber threats before they take root. The good news is that you don't even need to be a cybersecurity expert to practice it. Just a few smart, repeatable habits can make you a much harder target. You may already know that delayed software updates give attackers more time to exploit known vulnerabilities, which is why most of us approve updates quickly. But throughout 2024 and 2025, attackers increasingly utilized highly convincing fake pop-ups that looked identical to real system or app updates, which tricked users into installing malicious software. To stay safe, add these tips into your cyber hygiene routine. Enable auto updates so that real patches install as soon as they're released. Restart your devices regularly to complete updates and close security gaps. If an update alert does appear unexpectedly, don't click it. Open the app or system settings directly and check for updates there. Most of us use one browser for everything. But when all activity happens in the same place, if one site or extension is compromised, it can impact everything else. Best practice is to reduce a browser's attack surface by limiting risky plugins and isolating web activity where possible. For work, that usually means using the company-approved browser with approved configurations. However, for personal cyber hygiene on your own devices, one additional habit to consider is browser compartmentalization, which means using separate browsers or profiles for different types of activity. For example, use your work-authorized browser only for work. Use a personal browser for social media and general browsing. Use a minimal, extension-free browser for banking. This simple separation helps contain risk, like having fire doors between rooms. Recent threat reports show that malicious links remain one of the most common ways attackers deliver malware. That's why the 2-second inspection rule is such a powerful habit. Before clicking any link, be sure to preview where it leads. Also, always check links on a computer rather than a phone to avoid accidentally tapping the link and in order to see the full URL. From there, look for misspellings, unfamiliar domains, strange characters, or links that don't match the message. And remember, don't trust a link just because the sender seems familiar, as accounts can be compromised. And finally, the more you engage in ongoing cybersecurity training, the more skills and habits you'll continue to build over time. Staying informed and consistent is one of the most powerful cyber hygiene practices you can develop, as each training makes you sharper, more aware, and one step closer to becoming a superhuman firewall.